In a dimly lit room, a vintage typewriter sits silently, its keys imbued with an otherworldly aura. When the clock strikes midnight, the typewriter awakens, tapping away on its own, producing eerie tales that chill the spine. Each clack of the keys resonates like a heartbeat, echoing memories of those who once touched the machine. As stories unravel, the whispers of forgotten souls fill the air, drawing you into their haunting narratives. Accompanying these spectral tales are soft ASMR sounds, the gentle rustle of paper, the faint scratching of pen on parchment, and the eerie creaks of the old wooden floor. The atmosphere grows thick with tension as the typewriter writes of shadows lurking just beyond the light, of secrets buried deep in the fabric of reality. With every word, the whispers grow louder, urging you to listen closely. The blend of unsettling storytelling and immersive ASMR creates a captivating experience, transporting viewers into a world where the supernatural intertwines with the ordinary. This enchanted typewriter beckons you to explore its chilling tales, guaranteed to keep you on the edge of your seat as you delve deep into its mysteries.